The roots go deep in ground, and trees standing here.
Maybe 3 people, 4 people can be.
The Cadillac motor car, whose supreme quality, inspiring performance, and breathtaking beauty, greatness, is never achieved suddenly.
Tunnen uuden voiman, suonissani sykkii. Niin paljon vielä voittamatta on. Villit tunteet, oikeat otteet vievät miestä eteenpäin, korkealle ja kovaa. Matka jatkuu, uusi aika koittaa. Elämältä maistuu nyt on Karjala.
Oh my god, we go back to tarmac.
So if you don't go suoraan nyt, we have big road sure. Yeah. Oh, that's one.
19 kilometers to Lieksa. So you asked me where they take sand to do road. I can show you one place where they might take sand. Yeah, I think there. Oh, that was quite hard.
Sit down inside that road.
Matka jatkuu, uusi aika koittaa. Elämältä maistuu nyt tahte Karjala. Matka jatkuu, uusi aika koittaa. Elämältä maistuu nyt tahte Karjala.
We are arriving to Lieksa.
So when you don't sit inside for like church road.
Nyt tahte Karjala.
First time in my life I'm arriving to Lieksa.
Vahvasti suomalainen.
Have little bit traffic here, but this looks like a very small town, but have several cars driving here around.
Oikein.
Our car gets very dirty now, but let's go pick our room, and so maybe here is key. Okay, we get the key. What number?
Number
11. Okay, here have some. This looks like a real hotel. Yeah, but this is 11.
You can see very well.
Yeah, and there is our car. So if we're parking it like this, it might be okay. This is our room in Lieksa. Our room, no have bathroom. Now we are come to see. But so maybe shower is in sauna. Yeah, have shower and sauna. I don't know, they don't sign anything different. Wait, I go look here. Entrance is small. Cannot go balcony, they lock. So that's it, our hotel. We don't take the breakfast. And now where you want to go?
We'll take anything up in the room.
Lieksa city center where we are now. And as you see here, not lots of buildings. Shop, Lieksan leipomo. And behind me is Tokmanni and city market and liquor shop. And now we are heading to pizza place because I don't find any another restaurant which can be open. It's quite normal here in Finland, small villages. There is only pizza places, and those are basically Turkish people, owners of those pizza places, not the Finnish people. Pizza. Terve. Isella pub. What about being Lieksa now?
This month now, they can have anything.
Yeah. Where are you going tomorrow?
I go to inside for that really big home.
Okay.
This they have for city market.
Kyllä.
I think it's better to have anything here.
Good morning and welcome back to Wannabe Overlander YouTube channel. And if you not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now I'm show you where we came last night. That was that most easternmost point of Europe Union was here. And we drive from some small roads from here to Lieksa. I don't remember where the road goes. I think we driving this way and through this I think it's a Patvinsuon Kansallispuisto National Park. We're driving through here, and I think some kind of very small road here. I'm not sure which one it was. It might be this one because we go very small road. Yeah, we turn couple of times. I think we drive like this. And there was a very nice sandy hill, a little bit high, and we fly drone there, and we came here to Lieksa. And now we sleep last night here in Lieksa. I booked some cabin here near of Nurmes. It should be somewhere here in this area. So today we are going to drive in here. But before we go out from Lieksa, we take some small sightseeing here, the harbor and something area like that here in Lieksa. So that's the plan today. We are going over train track, and I don't know what we can see here. But they say here is a giant pine wood. I don't know some trees name what they are, but this, I don't know, is this a Pielinen or, yeah. Here is some smaller lake also, I'm not sure. Is this just a bay or a smaller lake? But this is Lieksa. So that here have these giant pine trees, but here is also something special. I don't know why these formations are here, but here have a big holes, like a, in, I don't know what is this, pots in the ground. Deep potholes like that. Wow. What is this? What happens here? Yeah. You see this tree?
Lake not many feet.
Yeah, there's no ground under this tree. And it's a giant pine wood. Yeah. You see, you can go under this tree. How special. The roots go deep in ground and trees standing here, but with nothing. It's emptying down.
Behind there, one tree there.
There is one more. You see there. But that's a dead tree. But another one's not dead. I don't know what makes this ground go out here. This nice place for picnic. Yeah.
Maybe in this area, maybe not more in there.
Giant trees.
100.
Wow. This. Look. Try to put your hands around that tree. Yeah. Try. Wow. This one.
Maybe 2 people.
Yeah. Wow. I don't never see in Finland so giant pine trees.
ตัวละมอเดอีโซ there
Oh.
coming here
Oh. Wow. Wow.
maybe this more around in here
Yeah. Oh. This is the tree.
look already there.
This is the tree. Go there now. You see?
Maybe 3 people, 4 people can be.
Take this. I show. I'm a big people, but look.
Yeah. not half. Not half.
Wow. How massive. This is. I don't never see a big tree like this. Have some
มันตัว
spider net.
this มันตัวนี่
Yeah.
never ever
Pine tree. Wow. What a massive tree. Half of it's dead, but the half is still healthy. Yeah, this might be many 100 years old. Okay, here Lieksa is Lieksa Joki. It's a name of the river, Lieksa River. And here are some kind of Lieksa rapids. Here are this kind of hanging bridge. This is a walking bridge, and I just see it in the Google Maps, so we come to looking. I think there is some kind of fence or what they do there for keeping water level higher. This might be also for the fish, for they can go up there. Maybe they block water like that here and there. And more there, because they have this power plant. They need water level high there, for they can take electric. So
to keep them go out little bit
yeah, yeah,
keep them go on
yeah. And this one, where the water comes out there, fish can swim him up there because they cannot swim up from the power plant.
I see very big fish there.
You see there already.
Yeah, maybe very big.
So no fishing here. Every kind of fishing all over the year is forbidden here. And here is a map from where is the power plant. So our car is parking here, and here is a power plant. I don't know, do they produce electricity now? Because in Finland we have some kind of lack of electricity. So let's see, this downstream here. And here they make electric. Miten täällä Lieksassa sähköhinta on nyt ollut? Ajattelin, vaikka teillä on tässä oma voimala, niin tuleeko tästä kaikki Lieksan sähkö vai?
Ei oo mitään hajua, ei varmaan.
Joo. Mutta täällä on samalla tavalla sähköhinta noussut kuin joka paikassa.
Kellä ei oo enää vanhoja soppareita voimassa.
Niin, kyllä. Joo, kiitoksia. So, electric price is high. Who's now have old contracts. So that Lieksa river flows down to the Pielinen, and Pielinen is a big lake here in eastern Finland, North-Karelia or something. And Lieksa is harbor town of Pielinen. And we are going to harbor now, and somebody might know that national view of Koli is opposite lake of Lieksa. So we go see the harbor, and maybe there is that ship stop there, but you can traveling over the Pielinen. And that museum where we was, that Pielinen museum, that's everything in the museum are collected around this Pielinen area. So let's drive into harbor. Harbor, yeah, car parkings. So this is Pielinen, and here are harbor of Koli. Yeah, here I see now where the ferry should start. This bridge goes to the ferry. Might be now in the Koli side, because it's not here. I don't know when it drives. I think it drives only summer times. So I saw you little bit map. So this is the Pielinen lake, and the Lieksa town is here. And here you can see the harbor here, where the ship goes to over the Pielinen. And another map shows this ferry road. And here Koli is that national view of Finland, which is very famous. So if you're coming here, winter time, there is an ice road. Ice road goes this way. So this is Pielinen Lieksa side harbor, and I don't found any information about the schedule of those ferries. So you need to find it advance from the internet if you are trying to coming here. But I think they should driving on the high season in the midsummer. And if you're coming here in the midwinter, you can driving over this Pielinen with the ice road. So that's it about Lieksa. Now we are going to Nurmes, to our next cabin. Next destination, Nurmes. Lieksa, off we go.
Greatness is never achieved suddenly.